Burnsnecht 2021. 'Twas a month after Christmas, and all through the hoose no a cratur was stirring, no the wee sleekit moose. The neeps was a' stored i' the wa press wi' care, and the haggis and tatties forby, they were there. The bairnies a' beenly asleep in their beds, while visions o' Burnsnecht danced i' their heads. And ma, fear verfochen, mysel rigged his jasket, a hearty burn supper was a' that we'd ask it. But a scunnersome beastie cried COVID-19 had fair bit a start to that Michaelis een. When out on the girse there came sic a steer, a loup fae my bed to see what was the beer. I peered through the winnock to see what was there, and I couldna believe what I glissed i' the air. A lift fu' of fyke fae the poems o' Burns that came to my winnock, ilk ane taking turns. First smooled Holy Willie wi' his nicht cap and connel, in a clarty auld goon you'd no wish to honnel. Just then Willie Wassel gaed by wi' his wife, the ugsomest cratur I'd seen in my life. Neist ane I saw was Shanter Ferm's Tam, swippert on Meg to the winnock he cam. But a buckle o' witches fair pit on a skelp, Nanny clocht Maggie's tail, oh, she lat out a yelp. Neist folk I glist as they cam by thegither, a' Burns's lassies, his father and mither. There was handsome Nell and Jenny Fair, Mary, Eliza, and a gay wheen mair. There was Agnes he looed, he cried her Clarinda, read a fond kiss, for it's there that you'll find her. Ahead o' thon lassies cam his wife, Bonnie Jean, wi' mair bairns aside her than ever I've seen. Why they were there, I fairly did wonder. I needed my bed, and this was a scunner. I threw up the winnock, gollert. Why are ye a' there? It's a richt old stramash. Tell me, what is the beer? A cause of yon COVID, cried Burns's wife Jean. There's no a burn supper this year to be seen. In January maist year we're a' gae thrang, for you'll finish an ilka poem or sang. But a' weekend days fleet about i' the air, 2 metre apart, if no even mair. As wheels thon, we're hungert, it fair makes ye weep, no een a minchie o' haggis or neep. I see how you're ravelt, but I've just had a thought. We've a wa press that stappit wi' food that we bocht. Just bide there a wee. In a glisk I was back, wi' burn supper's goodies rowed up in a pack. I honded it out, and they a' gaed a cheer. I gaed Burnsnecht to a', and we'll see yous next year.